Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a public gas grill. First, let's cover essential safety. Before you even think about cooking, take a moment to thoroughly inspect the grill. Check for any damage or leftover debris from previous users. Always know where the main gas shutoff valve is located and ensure it's easily reachable. For added safety, it's wise to have a fire extinguisher or a bucket of water close by, just in case. Now let's get that grill lit. Always remember to open the grill lid completely before you turn on any gas. This crucial step prevents any sudden flare-ups. Next, turn one of the gas knobs to the on or light setting. Then, press the igniter button or use a long-stemmed lighter to ignite the burner. If it doesn't light on the first try, turn off the gas, wait about 5 minutes, and then try again safely. With your grill lit, it's time to cook. First, preheat the grill for about 10 to 15 minutes to ensure it reaches a consistent, optimal cooking temperature. You can then adjust the individual burner controls to create different heat zones, perfect for various types of food. Always use a sturdy grill brush to clean the grates both before and after you cook. Remember, avoid overcrowding the grill. This allows for even cooking and makes flipping much easier. Finally, let's talk about leaving the grill area better than you found it. Once you're finished cooking, make sure to turn off all individual gas knobs and, most importantly, the main gas supply valve. Take a moment to scrape any food residue from the grates using your grill brush. Gather all your trash and dispose of it properly in the designated receptacles. Your goal is to leave the public grill area clean and safe for the next person to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.